Hello students, welcome to the Monday session. Here we were talking in our last session about the disaster management, and if there is a disaster or accident, you have to paste one photo. Based on the photo, some details you have to put. These details will lead you to give the proper guidance of the particular disaster or accident. Then these are the CD illustrated. I already discussed about you. Then what can be done for the rescue of that accident? When there is a flood, Harsh and Niru were giving information about the flood, and because of the flood, rescue operation was taken. Medicine, battery, torch, lighter, food items can be properly used during the time of flood. When the cyclone was blowing, then we have to be away from plastic, dirt, paper, everything we have to keep properly. We should not stand near a tree, electric pole, houses, tin roofs. During the monsoon, we oftenly sleep, and children were returning from home to the school, and when it is rain, we should be very careful. Next point is that accident, what can be done for the rescue, that also we have discussed. Then what are the different type of disaster and accident was taken place during the last few years. One list is given. That I everything explained to you in my last video. Today let us continue for the 16 look, learn and experience. Look means your observation. Learn, from the observation we should learn something. Dear students, why we are coming to the classroom and learning, why we are learning the things? To get the good experience in our life, which things we are not knowing. The person will be experienced if he is continuously learning whole life. That Gandhiji was saying in his thoughts and views. In our environmental studies, we are studying based on the science. So science is always needed some certain proofs, and we should be always, we have to be continue with the proofs. The things which we are dealing in chemical or in biology and solid things, we may have seen many things surround to our environment. That is why our subject name is environmental studies, looking around or around us. What is around us? Around us there are many things. Around us in the classroom, if we start noticing, many things we are getting, many things we are learning, many things we are observing, many technologies we are using. Olden time technologies was not there. Even though we studied properly, now we are using the latest things, mobile gadgets, YouTube channels. So this is our learning experience. The things what is made of, how it is made, how it is useful in our practical life, that everything we have to share, understood and explain it. We have to explain, we have to understood by ourselves. If we consider that there are few things around us, then we'll start with the chair. It is made of wood, plastic and iron. Door also similarly, plastic doors are there, wooden doors are there, iron doors are there. Chapati made of floor. Spectacle is made of a sheet frame, plastic material, fiber material. Bucket is made of a plastic, iron. Wooden buckets are also available, that can be also observed. Shoes made from the resin, leather. So book is made of a paper. So friends, these are the points we have to always think of it. And next session we will talk about the definition of a substance. Till that I remain. Thank you.